That was Captain Ray on the hammer dust. Now I see her waltzing out the chapel with the heart of Stephen down and touch a bell. Boys and boys, you keep what I say when you go according to me and never say. If you wasn't there, you would look the other way, but I'm nothing like the night of the morning. I lean on my heart is turning gray ever since the day you wanted to fly away. I lean on the sufficient to say, but there's nothing like a try to catch a ball. Nothing like a try to catch a ball.
When I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. Pull my hair, sew my coat, that's alright till I get home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a caught in 1, 2, 3. Please don't you tell me who is she. Albert Mooney says he loves her, all the boys are fighting for her. Knock at the door, ring at the bell, oh my true love, are you well? Out she comes as white as snow, rings on her fingers and bells on her toes. Oh, Johnny Morley said she'll die. She doesn't get the fellow with a roving eye. Tell me, Ma, when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. Pull my hair, stole my comb, that's alright till I get home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she's the belle of Belfast City. She is a quartet, 1, 2, 3. Please don't you tell me who is she? But the wind and the rain and the hill blow high, slow from traveling through the sky. She's as sweet as apple pie, she'll get her own and by and by. When she gets a lot of her own, she won't come out till she gets home. Let them all come as they will, Town and Mooney she loves still. Tell me, Ma, when I get home, the boys don't leave the girls alone. Pull my hair, stole my comb, that's alright till I get home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she's the belle of Belfast City. She is a quartet, 1, 2, 3. Please look and tell me who is she? Albert Mooney says he loves her, all the boys are fighting for her. Knock at the door, ring at the bell, oh my true love, are you well? Out she comes as white as snow, rings on her fingers and bells on her toes. Oh, Johnny Morley said she'll die, doesn't get a fellow with a roving eye. Tell me, Ma, when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. Pull my hair, stole my comb, that's alright till I get home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she's the belle of Belfast City. She is a quartet, 1, 2, 3. Please would you tell me who is she? O'Farrell, tell me why you hurry so. Hush me blue, full hush and listen, and his cheeks were all aglow. There are orders from the captain, get you ready quick and soon, for the pikes must be together by the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon, and the pikes must be together by the rising of the moon. Come tell me, Sean O'Farrell, where the gathering is to be, at the old spot by the river, rival known to you and me. One more word for signal token, whistle out the marching tune, with your pike upon your shoulder, by the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon, with your pike upon your shoulder, by the rising of the moon. Out of many a mud-walled cabin, eyes were watching